In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could turn off subtitles here on a Roku device. There's going to be those closed captions and closed captioning. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do is start off on the home screen right here. Go ahead and just scroll down or up until you see settings. And from here, just scroll over and scroll down a little bit until you see this accessibility tab. Open that up, then scroll down, and what you're looking for is an option that says subtitles and captioning. Maybe it'll say subtitles, maybe it'll say captioning. It kind of is different on every single one. Essentially, just find this captions mode option right here, select it, and then tick it to off rather than on. As you can see, this is what it looks like when it's turned on. This is what it'll look like when it is turned off. If you ever do want those subtitles on again, you could just return to this menu, and you could also change the caption language, style, and appearance on here as well with all of these different settings. It really is as simple as that. That is how you could go ahead and turn off subtitles here on a Roku device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.